Powerful, efficient, and versatile, the best blenders can handle everything from smoothies and soups to sauces and dips. These high-performance appliances are designed with durable blades, multiple speed settings, and strong motors to blend ingredients smoothly and quickly. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best blenders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Transform your kitchen experience with the Philips High-Speed Power Blender, a robust appliance designed for efficiency and versatility. Constructed from durable plastic, this powerhouse weighs 18.4 pounds and operates at 1,800 watts, offering reliable performance for any blending need. Powered by a 2.4 horsepower motor, the blender's uniquely designed blades spin at an impressive 35,000 RPM, tackling everything from soft fruits to dense vegetables with ease. Whether you're crafting silky smoothies or crushing ice for cocktails, its variable manual speed options put precision control in your hands. The noise-reducing dome minimizes sound, making it twice as quiet as traditional countertop blenders, allowing you to blend without disturbing your space. A sleek digital screen enhances user convenience, featuring 5 pre-programmed modes: smoothie, frozen dessert, soup, nuts, and ice crushing. These modes ensure consistent results for a variety of recipes, taking the guesswork out of blending. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe parts, saving you time in the kitchen. Blend, juice, and create with the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro, a powerhouse appliance designed to maximize flavor and nutrition. This 2-in-1 blender and juicer, built from durable stainless steel, packs a robust 1,100-watt motor and weighs 17.3 pounds, providing stability during use. Its 3.5-inch wide chute effortlessly handles whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time while delivering fresh, nutrient-packed juice straight into the 50-ounce jug. Equipped with cold spin technology, the Bluicer minimizes heat transfer, preserving essential vitamins and enzymes for healthier beverages. The 3X Bluicer Pro's 5 one-touch programs include options for smoothies, green smoothies, ice crushing, frozen cocktails, and an auto-clean function, making it as convenient as it is versatile. With 10 adjustable speed settings, you can create everything from velvety smoothies to crushed ice for cocktails. Designed with a space-saving approach, the pulp bin is discreetly positioned behind the brushed stainless steel base, optimizing your countertop space. The Kinetics bowl and blade system crushes, chops, folds, and aerates ingredients, ensuring consistently smooth and creamy results. The Ninja Chef Blender CT800 is a powerhouse designed for those who demand versatility and precision in the kitchen. With a 1,500-watt advanced motor system, this blender can tackle even the toughest ingredients without slowing down. The next-generation blades cut through ice, nuts, and fibrous veggies with ease, making it an essential tool for creative cooks. Equipped with 10 Auto IQ programs, the CT800 can handle anything from ice cream and soup to nut butter and flour milling. The options for frozen drinks, smoothies, purees, dressings, dips, and salsa provide flexibility for any culinary endeavor. For those who prefer full control, the manual mode offers variable speeds ranging from 7,000 to 18,000 RPM, allowing for customized textures and consistency. Cleaning up is a breeze with the self-cleaning program. Just add hot water and dish soap, run the clean program, and the 72-ounce BPA-free pitcher is ready for the next use. The Philips HR26 05 Mini Blender is a versatile solution for creating healthy smoothies, shakes, and frozen cocktails effortlessly. Designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle, this compact blender allows you to blend directly in a takeaway tumbler, making it perfect for nutritious drinks on the go. Its sleek, space-saving design easily fits on your kitchen counter, keeping it accessible for quick, daily use. Powered by a strong 350-watt motor, the HR2605 delivers smooth blends in seconds, whether you're crushing ice, pureeing fruits, or blending tough ingredients. With 2 speed settings, you can adjust the texture to suit your preference, from silky smoothies to chunky salsas. The included multi-chopper expands its versatility, allowing you to chop herbs, nuts, and vegetables quickly. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to dishwasher-safe accessories, ensuring that maintaining a healthy lifestyle doesn't add extra work. To inspire your creativity, the Philips Healthy Drinks app offers nutritionist-selected recipes tailored to various dietary needs. The Cuisinart Hurricane Pro CBT 2000 is a high-powered blender engineered for serious home chefs and professionals alike. With a commercial-grade 3.5 peak horsepower motor and 2,000 watts of power, it takes on tough blending tasks effortlessly, from crushing ice to pulverizing fibrous vegetables. The extra-large 64-ounce BPA-free Triton plastic jar is durable and lightweight, equipped with a soft grip handle for comfortable pouring. At the heart of the Hurricane Pro is the exclusive BlendLogix operating technology, designed to maintain optimal speed regardless of the load, ensuring consistent results every time. Its variable speed control ranges from 1,500 to 25,000 RPM, and for maximum blending power, a turbo boost function reaches an impressive 30,000 RPM. This versatility means you can create anything from silky smoothies to hearty soups with precision. A unique memory function allows you to adjust preset times and save them, streamlining your blending experience. Although not dishwasher safe, cleaning the blender jar is simple with a quick blend of warm water and soap. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.